How long do you expect us to stay in this place?
It's safer here.
We should have gone with them. It's not safe here. I'm scared.
Connie, there's a helicopter waiting for us on the roof. Keep your eyes on Mommy and Daddy, okay? We need you quiet. Just a walk in the park.
How do we know they're